Hi everyone. Today we're going to be looking at a WebWork 4 problem, number 11, where you have to find the equation of a plane that's passing through 3 points. The points here are 2, 0, 5, -2, -4, 6, and -3, -2, 2. Okay. So the first thing that actually really helps in this problem is you should label these points. Okay. So we have P here equals 2, 0, 5. Q equals -2, -4, 6, and R equals -3, -2, 2. This is just from convention, that's what we call it. So now you have to get to two vectors here. So we have vector PQ, we just take the terminal point minus the initial point. So we have -2 minus 2, -4 minus 0, 6 minus 5 gives us a vector of -4, -4, 1. And we have the second vector, PR, which is, taken from terminal minus initial. We have -3 minus 2, -2 minus 0, 2 minus 5, and that gives us -5, -2, -3. Okay. So now that you have these two vectors here, you have to try to find a normal vector to this plane. And the way we can obtain a normal vector to the plane with these points on it is by crossing PQ and PR. Okay, so remember, n hat equals vector PQ crossed with vector PR, right? That will give you a normal vector to the plane. So if you remember how to do the cross product here, we set up our little IJK matrix, and then we have to start crossing. Now, as you can remember, hopefully, if not, some easy practice should, jog that memory. So to get the I hat components, you cross, right? -4 times -3 minus -2 times 1, which will give us 14. Right? Then you have to do the minus sign in front of the j hat component. So you get, after you cross I with k, you get -17. And then for the j hat, right, remember it has the plus. In front of the j hat components, you have 8 minus 20, and you get -12 k hat. Right, so this right here, what we have now is we have a normal vector to the plane that is 14 I hat minus 17 j hat minus 12 k hats. And I like to label them here with just A, B, C, because the way I like to remember the implicit equation for the plane, right, so it's the same thing as standard form, is A, x minus x1, B, y minus y1, C, z minus z1. Okay, you set that all equal to 0, very important, don't forget that. Okay. And the x1, y1, z1, you could just pick a point, right? So it looks like from here, I'm going to pick point P, which is 2, 0, 5. Now you have all the components you just got to plug in. Okay, so we have 14, parentheses x minus 2, minus 17, y minus 0, which is really just y, minus 12, parentheses z minus 5 equals 0. Now this will give you the plane with the 3 points on it. Don't get tripped up if you get asked for the general equation, right? All you have to do is just distribute through and combine the like terms. So when I distribute through, we have 14x minus 28 minus 17y minus 12z plus 60 equals 0. Combine like terms, you get 14x minus 17y minus 12z plus 32 equals 0. Okay. And now we're going to take a look at this in Calcplot 3D to verify our answer.